What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Sam Alxr, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can lace your Jordan 5 just like so. You've got the lace lock on the front, the lace up pretty loosely, it's looking pretty fire. I'm going to show you how to do this tutorial on the Jordan 5 metallic silvers. At the end of the video I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So let's just get straight into the tutorial. You dig? So just getting straight into it, I've got the laces taken out so we can go ahead and start lacing them up. I'm just going to take the lace and thread it through the bottom holes first. And then taking the top parts of the lace, so these bits holding them so they're the same length, and then pulling up to make sure that the laces are the same length on either side. And then taking the inside lace and putting it through this hole here, so it goes over the top into this hole. And then taking the outside lace and putting it through the inside hole here. And then the inside lace through the outside, and then the outside through the inside, keeping the laces flat whilst doing so, making sure that they're loose as well, and then taking the inside and putting it through the outside hole, and then the outside to the inside, keeping the laces flat and loose, and then the inside through the outside, just working the way up. And then once you get to this bit, so what's all the way up, now onto this bit here, so taking the inside lace and threading it through the bottom hole through the outside, just like so, and then the outside going through the bottom inside hole, and then taking the lace lock, holding the laces and making sure they're still the same length at the top, taking the lace lock and then putting the laces just through and inside the lace lock like that, so about that length, and then loosening the shoes off, going all the way down just by pulling on the laces and then pulling against the side of the shoes just like that. And that is how to loosely lace Air Jordan 5s. Now I'm going to get into showing you what this style looks like on feet. So that was how to lace your Jordan 5s just like this. You got the lace lock on the front, the lace up super loosely. It's looking pretty fire. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. Hopefully you did find it helpful. If you did, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also, tell the person you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video, which is every single day. It's been your boy Sam Alxr. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop. My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Chest like it's Nike. Me, I just do it.